Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and are you also looking for something to define your curls a little more? Then look no further. This mousse is just for you. I know that mousses are a little controversial in the curly hair community because a lot of people feel like mousse will make your curls too crunchy or hard, but this mousse is not the case. This mousse has a really strong hold and it allows for your curls to last all day, but it isn't made with a formula that's sticky or that crunches up. It actually leaves your curls feeling super soft all day long while still controlling the frizz. This mousse can also be used on dry or wet hair, but I love to use it right after I've washed my hair. Because the mousse is so lightweight, it doesn't weigh my curls down, but if anything, it really does help with the volume. As you can see, my curls look so much more defined, and even after I scrunch them, they don't lose their shape. This mousse also works great when you diffuse your hair. I've noticed a significant difference when I do use this mousse because my curls have no frizz, a great shape, and hold for so much longer. I absolutely love this curl elastic mousse. Ever since I started to use it, it has become a staple in my curly hair routine. And when people ask me about my curls, I always recommend this mousse. But that's just my point of view.